access to education. Because based from our vision and mission, the first thing that we need to place our concentration and focus is to gather all school-age children and use the mechanism of DepEd to enlist them in the roster of DepEd. Before I proceed, may I recognize our CSO, Ma'am Apruebo, and Sir, good morning to both of you. And the second one is provision of transportation assistance to students at risk of dropping out. If we already done our mission in catering access to quality basic education, the next thing that will happen is to take care of all the enlisted students in school so that they will not drop out. And so upon observing that some of our students might drop out, we immediately act on it. And we are so thankful to our Creator that He touched the heart of our city mayor to approve the crafted Angel Ride project, because this will bring panacea or remedy to the situation, since 2 years ago there are a lot of students who might drop from the rule probably because of multifarious reason. And thanks God, you can see now the gigantic transportation for our children so that they will not drop from the rule, and that the mission of the city government and DepEd will be achieved, that no children in Roxas City will be left behind, because DepEd, through the support of the mayor, has a lot of projects wherein they can enroll and stay and enjoy in DepEd, because they feel the warm support of the city mayor, the superintendent, and all the people under their baton. And so, ladies and gentlemen, our target physical output, provision of transportation to 325 students at risk of dropping out. And the location of the project are as follows: Punta Kugon, Gabuan, Talon, Culahaw, Sibaguan, Lunoy, Lawaan, Bulo, Tansa, Lugtugan, Liong, Adlawan, and San Jose. And the budget is 1.5 million. And as you can see, the amount was spent in the purchase of those vehicles that you can see in this side, as well as to finance the salary of our driver, the gasoline, and the maintenance of the vehicle, so that we can cater to the needs of our students direct from their residence to the house and from their school to their residence. So that's the rationale of our project Angel Ride. Angel, because our mayor is Angel, at the same time we consider our children or our students as angel. Okay? So the next project that we have is entitled Alternative Learning and Networking Through Online Open High School, or we call it Online Alan. Because you know, as we implement the Open High School, we would like to inspire the students, because they can always remember the name of our beloved mayor, because they consider mayor as their model. So you see, it was beautifully crafted to spell inspiration to us who are implementing and to the recipient of the project. Now, let me continue. The proposed implementing national government agency, that its purpose is to provide opportunity to all out-of-school youths and adults of Roxas City to complete secondary education through online modules. The like, or shall we say, the vibration of the youth today is different from that of 10 years ago. The inclination of our youth is to use computers and surf a lot of ideas in the internet. Likewise, they like to study through the aid of internet and computers. That's why to respond to the basic or to the need, to the learning style of our students, because we teachers are the ones adjusting to the learning styles of the students. We fine-tune our teaching styles to the need and to the like of our students. So that's why we crafted this Project Online Alan to respond to the need of our school children or our students. The target physical outputs that we need to procure is 31 units of desktop computers that will be turned over by our beloved City Mayor with our Superintendent and together with our head in DILG and focal persons and CSOs today. Then we are going to distribute that to 3 identified open high school sites. One for Roxas City District 1 here in Tangke National High School, Mayor. The other one is for the District 2 for Congressman Ramon Arnaldo High School beside our division office. And the other one is in District 3, Roxas City School for Philippine craftsmen. But these 31 computers that will be used by our students enrolled in open high school, because the students are, preoccupied of, making a living. They are helping their parents. So they were enrolled in open high school and they are very thankful to the city government for approving this project. The 31 computers will be turned over here but will eventually be distributed proportionately according to the enlisted enrollees from Districts 1, 2, and 3. So the total amount for this project is 500,000. Ladies and gentlemen, I have shared you the rationale of our 2 laudable project signed by our beloved City Mayor, facilitated by our Superintendent and all of us CPRAT member. Thank you so much and God bless.